I am SB Misra. This is the last package of real number chapter 1. Revision of chapter 1. So this video will be more important for the students. This revision contains only harder and very important problems of part 1 to from part 1 to 5. Whatever you know from part 1 to part 5, the important questions are available in this revision chapter 1. Question number 2. So that the positive even integer is in the form 2q and odd is in the form 2q plus 1. The same question can be asked in another way. So that the positive integers are either even or odd. Again, here is also positive integer. Positive integer is even or 2q even, 2q plus 1 odd. The same question, but here 2q and 2q plus 1 both are not written. So the answer starts. Since you know that A is equal to BQ plus R, Euclid division lemma, put B is equal to 2, then R will be 0 and 1. So A is equal to 2Q plus R, putting R is equal to 0, we get A is equal to 2Q. Is equal to 2Q is even proved. Why even? Because multiple of 2 is even. Now if R is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 here. R is going to 1. 2q plus 1 is odd proved, since even plus odd is odd. The M is over. Now come to question number 3. First, second, third and fourth. And these 3 questions have been answered with the same rule, using Euclid division lemma. 4q plus R. Let A is equal to, first of all, let A is equal to BQ plus R. As 4 is the requirement, here is 2 are the requirement, 2. So we have put B is equal to 2, but here we need 4. So put B is equal to 4, then R will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Now since A is equal to BQ plus R, so A is equal to 4Q plus R. Select only 1 and 3. No need to take unnecessary 0 and 2. Only 1 is required. Requirement is 1 and 3. So only 1 and 3 both are selected. So if R is 1, then 4Q plus 1. If R is 3, 4Q plus 3. So both are answered. Even plus odd is odd, even plus odd is odd. So both are answered with region. You must write the region, why even, why odd again, so that positive integers are 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Again Euclid division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. 6 is requirement, so put B is equal to 6. So A is equal to 6Q plus R. Now R is equal to G. Select, the requirement is 1, 3 and 5. So select 1, 3, 5. If R is 1, A is equal to 6Q plus 1. If R is 3, A is equal to 6Q plus 3. If R is 5, A is equal to 6Q plus 5. All are odd. The region is the same. Even plus odd is odd. Now question number 5th. So that the square of any positive integer is in the form 3m plus 1. Again Euclid division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R, put B is equal to 3, then R will be 0, 1, 2. Now a squaring is needed, a square. So squaring both sides. A is equal to 3Q plus R. After putting B is equal to 3, A becomes 3Q plus R. A squaring is needed, so squaring both sides. A square, A plus B ka whole square. So A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square. On simplifying the right side, A square is equal to 9Q square plus 6QR plus R square. Now select R is equal to 0. If R is equal to 0, here 3 values of R are to be taken. If R is equal to 0, 9Q square, other will be 0, 0. So only 3 is taken common, and this circled green item is called M. So this is in the form 3M form proved. Now take r is equal to 1 in first, this small dot, has been put, that the r is being taken 1, both are taken 1, 6q into 1, 1 square 1, first term as usual. So from first two terms 3 common plus 1. This circled green item is taken as m. So this is 3m plus 1 form proved. Now if r is equal to 2 in 1, again we are going to put r is equal to 2 in 1, a square is equal to 9q square. This big dot for r is equal to 2 square. Then on simplifying we get 4. Unnecessary 4 is not the requirement. We need only 3m or 3m plus 1. So this 4 is broken in two parts, 3, because we have to take 3 common finally. So 3 plus 1. From the 3 terms we have taken 3 common. So whatever kept inside the green circle, this is taken as m. So this is 3m plus 1 form proved. Hence over. Problem number 8. So that this is composite number. Here addition sign is available. Sign of addition should not be here. So 13 can be written as 13 into 1. 13 is common from both. The product sign is available. Product shows that these two, 133 is a prime number, I think. But there may be 133 may be in the table of 19. 19 ja. Note it that this you have to write 19 into 7. 19 ja. This is 19 into 7. Anyway, the product of 13, 19 and 17. So there is a condition for composite number. When we get product of 2 or more prime factors, then the given expression, this is called expression, not number. When simplified, we get the number. Simplification is not necessary at all. Never multiply this once more. Just leave it. Write 13 multiply 19 as this. 13 multiply 19 multiply 7. Then announce that we are getting 2 or more prime factors and composite number. Likewise 5 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Again 13 is common. 13 common. Now when simplified 56 is broken like this. So we are getting product of composite numbers. Whenever we get product of composite number, the expression will be composite number proved. Whenever we get the product of prime numbers, all are prime. So whenever we get product of 2 or more prime numbers, this given expression will be composite number. So proof is over. Now 10. Prove that 6 to the power n, where n is a rational number, never end with the digit 0. 6 to the power n can be written like this, 2n, 3n. This is unique. No other than this you can write. In this uniqueness we are not having 5. And the number ending with 0 must contain 2 and 5. It is unique and does not contain both 2 and 5, hence never end with 0 proved. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Let root 3 is equal to a by b, where a and b co-prime. You may write co-prime. This is first equation. Cross multiply, squaring both sides. After squaring we are getting this. If 3 will go in the denominator, then this 3 will divide a square. So 3 divides a square, so 3 divides a. Second equation. Let us divide a by 3 c times. Then the remainder will be 0, so we can write a is equal to 3c. Again starts from a is equal to 3c. Start with a is equal to 3c. Squaring a square is equal to 9c square. Replace a square by this. This a square is replaced by 3b square. 3b square is equal to 9c square. 3 cancels 9 by 3 times b square 3c square. So 3 divides b square. Hence 3 divides b. So 2 and 3 contradicts 1. So root 3 is a rational number. These steps are sufficient. The maximum important steps have been included. So never think that the proof is very small. This proof is allowed everywhere without any hesitation. You can write 17. So that 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. This is a problem, not theorem. The first one was theorem. This is problem. Now cross multiply. B will come to this side. B into this is equal to A. So 2b plus 3b root 5 is equal to a rational. Again this, so root 5 is equal to this rational. So irrational is equal to rational, which is not possible. Hence 2 contradicts 1. So irrational number. Students, all the hard problems have been discussed separately, and now chapter 1 is declared finished. Bye.